I love playing video games. Like, man, you could put a video game in front of me and I'll just stay locked in there. And then as I got older, I kind of moved away, and I'm getting back into playing like my NBA 2K. Can't get away from that. But the point is for point number four is gamifying your personal, and I'm gonna say professional goals. Being able to, one of the things that this is why I signed on with school, is to create more of a gamified type approach. What is school? School is a platform that I'm going to be able to leverage to put videos that people say, hey, I would love for you to go more in depth. That's probably where I would host that, or even taking some of these videos that really got some really great feedback and comments and putting there, and maybe even talking about that further. But it also allows people to win prizes and things like that, which is awesome and exciting because people love. I don't know about you, but I love to win, and I love it even more when a prize is associated with it. So really gamifying your personal as well as your professional is really good. One of the things too is using apps like productivity apps, or creating your own system with spreadsheets